Niacinamide and hyaluronic acid are two popular skincare ingredients known for their beneficial effects on the skin. Here's why and how you can incorporate them into your daily skincare routine. 1. Niacinamide. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, offers several benefits for the skin. 1. Improves skin barrier function. Niacinamide strengthens the skin's protective barrier, which helps to retain moisture and prevent water loss. 1. This can result in smoother, hydrated skin. 2. Reduces hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide has been shown to inhibit the transfer of melanin, which can help reduce the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. 3. Minimizes pore appearance. It regulates sebum production, helping to minimize the appearance of enlarged pores and control excess oil. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Niacinamide possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated and inflamed skin, making it suitable for acne-prone and sensitive skin types. To use niacinamide in your skincare routine. 1. Apply a niacinamide serum after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing. 2. Follow the instructions on the product label for the recommended amount to use. 3. Gently massage the serum into your skin until it's fully absorbed. 4. You can use niacinamide serum both morning and evening, depending on your preference and skin's tolerance. 1. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a hydrating ingredient that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. 1. It is beneficial for all skin types, including dry, oily, and sensitive skin. 1. Here's how hyaluronic acid can enhance your skincare routine. 1. Intense hydration. Hyaluronic acid attracts and retains moisture, providing deep hydration to the skin. 1. It helps plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Enhances skin elasticity. By improving hydration levels, hyaluronic acid can contribute to increased skin elasticity and firmness. 3. Soothes and calms. Hyaluronic acid has a soothing effect on the skin, making it suitable for sensitive and irritated skin. To use hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. 1. Apply hyaluronic acid serum after cleansing and toning, while your skin is still slightly damp. 2. Use a few drops of serum and gently pat it on your skin until fully absorbed. 3. Follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the hydration. 4. You can use hyaluronic acid both morning and evening. Note: it's always a good idea to patch test new products on a small area of your skin before incorporating them into your routine. Additionally, everyone's skin is unique, so it's important to pay attention to how your skin responds and adjust your routine accordingly.